What if your best salesperson never asked for a paycheck? In the next 2 minutes, you will learn exactly how to build a brand so good that people cannot stop talking about it for free. This is called word-of-mouth marketing, and it is the most powerful tool a business can have. So let us break it down simply. Think of your brand like a campfire. If you build it right, people gather around it naturally, warm themselves up, and then go tell their friends where the fire is. Nobody pays them to do that. The fire is just that good. So how do you build that fire? Here are 4 simple steps. Step 1. Be remarkably different. Not just good. Different. There is a hot sauce company called Liquid Death that sells canned water. Just water, but they market it like heavy metal energy drink, and people go absolutely crazy for it. Why? Because they stand out so hard you cannot ignore them. Ask yourself, what is the one thing about your business that makes people do a double take? Step 2. Make people feel something. Brands that get talked about trigger emotions: surprise, joy, belonging, or even laughter. Imagine you own a small bakery, and you write funny little notes on every pastry bag. People photograph it, post it, and boom, free advertising. A feeling shared is a brand multiplied. Step 3. Give people a story worth repeating. Here is the key insight. Nobody retells boring experiences, but they absolutely will retell the coffee shop that remembered their order after one visit, or the online store that included a handwritten thank you note. Make the experience so thoughtful that it becomes a story. Step 4. Reward your biggest fans. Notice who is already talking about you and give them love first. A simple shout-out, a surprise discount, or early access to new products turns casual fans into loyal brand ambassadors. Here is your aha moment. You do not buy word of mouth, you earn it by being genuinely worth talking about. The secret is simple. Be different, make people feel something, give them a story, and celebrate your fans. Do those 4 things and your customers become your marketing team for free. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Marketing School for more free marketing lessons. Next time we are answering this big question. How do you get strangers on the internet to actually trust your brand?